All right, Schoology is so much easier when there's less clicking out. So I'm going to show you how to use an iframe generator to embed a ClassKick assignment right in Schoology. So I'm going to go, here's my ClassKick assignment, okay? And I clicked on it. I want to assign it. I already have it assigned to my sample roster, so I'm going to open up this and I'm going to copy the link. Okay, that's the first step. Copy the link, the share link, and then go to an iframe generator. I use iframe-generator.com. Okay, I change this to 1000 by 600. Okay, all you need to do is paste that URL I just copied in this spot where it says iframe URL. Click generate. Now it's going to, this whole HTML code down here. Just copy it. You don't have to do anything else. Now you're ready for Schoology. Okay, I'm going to go into my practice course. I'm going to add a page. The page is going to give me the most width for this assignment. So we'll say human body introduction. All right, so my directions to them are going to be enter your name in the box and begin the assignment. Now I'm going to click over here to HTML. Hit enter one time and then paste that long code that you just copied. Okay, and then you are going to click create. Now, right now, it does not look amazing, but I click on it and here we go. All they need to do is enter their name in this box right here. So let's see, I'll put my name, click continue. And the ClassKick assignment is going to load right through Schoology. They don't need to go anywhere else. Everything that they have to do here, they can click on. Okay, here's where the hand is, so they can still raise their hand. Here's where they're going to switch between pages. Easy peasy.